Model, 71-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 140-6 SP, D Enterprise S&S needs injector body, grey, panel van mileage, 104,363 engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 2 replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Fault code confirms injector issue. Condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, aircon, sat-nav, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.